Hello everyone, this printer is HP DeskJet 2710 or 2700 series. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to a wireless network. Switch the printer on, then switch on the wireless button. Put the printer in a wireless mode. You need to press the cancel and Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. A warning light will highlight. The power on button will highlight. Then you need to wait for light to show on the wireless button, and they will print out information. So printed out printer information page will show you that the printer is not connected to a wireless network. To connect this printer to a wireless network, what you need to do is, so go to Play Store or App Store, select Play Store and install HP app. HP app. Install HP app on your phone, then open the app. This is the app. So once the app opened, you can sign in, then select plus. Add a printer. Set up a new printer or choose a printer available on the network. This is a new printer, so select the first option, choose a new printer. How do you want to connect the printer? Select Wi-Fi network, then select continue. Get the printer ready to connect to Wi-Fi network. Place the printer on a flat surface, then plug it on and power on. Connect your mobile phone to Wi-Fi network. Turn location and Bluetooth on your mobile device, then allow access when prompted. HP required this permission to find and set up your printer. Your location is not being sent to HP. Then select continue. Select allow. Select allow for location. While using this app, turn Bluetooth on. HP is asking to turn Bluetooth on. Select allow. So the printer is found. HP DeskJet. Select on it, setup. Select on it. Then it will show you connect printer to Wi-Fi network. You found the Wi-Fi network within the environment. So I'm going to put the password. So you get the password from the back of your network router. Double check the information to make sure the information you put are correct. Then select continue. So printer is found. The next is preparing the printer. Press and release the flashing information button on printer. After release, please wait. So you go to the printer. This is information button. So press once and release it. Then you wait. It's preparing the printer. Printer prepared. Getting IP address. So the printer is actually connected to a wireless network. If you look on the printer, you see that the Wi-Fi light is now steady. But you need to wait for the process to complete. Connected to Wi-Fi network, IP address received, connection finished. Then you select continue. So this is how to connect the printer to a wireless network. So we show you processing. Then you select exit. This is the printer and the ink level. If you want to print out a document, then you select on the printer image from the app. Then scroll down and select document prints. Print documents. Then select PDFs. Take you to your file for you to select the document you want to print out. Select on the document. This is the document I want us to print out, 2-page document. Then you select print preview. We show you the printer. Then you select number of copies. Scroll down. We want to print all. And also we want to print it in black and white. Then you select print. This is document we printed out. This is the document, second one we printed out. So this is how to connect the printer to a wireless network and print out a document to confirm that the printer is working. You can print document just like we did. You can scan documents. You can print photos as well. Thank you very much indeed.